Are you actually behind, or are you just refusing to adapt? The reality is, AI is not coming to take your place. It is not coming to take your calling, but it's coming to expose your systems or the lack thereof. What's going on, family? Happy New Year 2026. May this new year bring you joy, peace, prosperity, and success in your business. Welcome back to the Laurince Podcast, where faith meets mindset, business, and strategy. Listen, in 2026, the businesses that will survive will not be the hardest working one. They will be the most structured, the most intentional, and the most prepared ones. Episode 16 is all about why AI will not replace you. Let me say this again. AI will not replace you. But businesses who use AI wisely will replace those who don't. Most people think that the threat is AI. It is not. The real threat is still doing everything you do them manually. Running your business from your head, depending on hustles instead of structure. AI doesn't create problems, it reveals them. If your business lacks clarity, AI will magnify the confusion. If your business lacks systems, AI will magnify the chaos. But if your business has vision and order, AI then becomes a multiplier. Here's a principle that I want you to learn today. Talent opens doors. Anointing and preparation create opportunities. Now, systems sustain success. Remember that God is a God of order. Creation in itself is a system. So when we talk about AI, we're not talking about replacing you, replacing your faith, your purpose, your calling. No, no, no. We're talking about increase in your business and stewarding that increase. Hello, family. Jonathan here. And this is just a quick reminder. Listen, if you have not yet grabbed a copy of my business book, The One Shoe Wonder, well, this is your moment. This book is a powerful guide to help you build your brand from the ground up. Even if you're starting small with just one idea, one product, or one service. Inside, I share the same mindset, the same strategies, the same business principles that helped me build and launch my own brand in Unity Square. So go right now on Amazon and get your copy of The One Shoe Wonder, and make sure to leave us a beautiful review. Listen, now it's your time to start turning your passion into purpose and your purpose into profit. The link is in the description. Bye for now. Why AI is not the enemy. The artificial intelligence, also called AI, is a companion, is an assistant. I like to put it this way. AI is just like the ground, and you have the seed in your hand, you put the seed in the ground, and after a certain period of time, the ground will give you a tree or some fruits, all right? So what it does, the ground multiplies the seed that you put in, right? It's the same thing with AI. Your idea, your vision, your plan is the seed. You trust AI to develop the plan, give structure, put structure in your plan with a system or maybe a structure or some step-by-step guide for you to accomplish whatever it is that you wanna accomplish. But be careful with that, okay? The plan that works for somebody else may not work for you. After you've done that, you need to sit down and see if this will work for you. If this works well with your vision or the type of person that you are. Always modify the plan, customize the plan to fit your schedule or the type of person you are. Okay, so AI will not give you everything. It will assist you. Will submit to you as a suggestion a plan to follow. All right, very good. So understand this: AI will not come to replace leadership. AI will expose leadership or the lack of leadership. Now, AI will reveal where you are inconsistent. It will reveal where you are inefficient. It will also reveal where everything depends on you. Just imagine running a business where everything depends on you. You can't afford to take a vacation. You can't even afford to be sick because you have to be there to run the business. That's when AI comes to place. You can set up certain things, on autopilot where AI is doing its thing and controlling and managing things for you according to the way you programmed it to do. Now, understand, don't get me wrong, especially for small business like us, we all started this way, doing everything. I remember when I started Immunity Footwear, I was doing everything from A to Z, from conception to delivery, okay, to fulfillment. But we have to learn at some point to start delegating, put a team together and delegate certain things so you can take care of what's more important, which is the vision, the direction of the company, okay? So let's get this out of the way. I hope you understand. AI simply asks one question. Is your business built to grow or is your business simply built to survive? Here's an action step for you. Action step number one. Identify one task in your business that feels draining or repetitive. That is not a calling issue. I repeat, that is not a calling issue, but it is a system issue. All you have to do is reconsider your system or change the system. Because if you keep doing things the same way you've been doing them, chances are you're going to get the same result. How about if you just change the system, you will get a different result. Okay? Hi, Jonathan here with Immunity Footwear. And today, I want to introduce to you one of the most elegant pieces in our collection, the Burgundy Patina Loafer. From the moment you slip it on, you can feel the craftsmanship. Each pair is hand finished in a rich burgundy patina, giving you depth, character, and a look that speaks before you do. The design is sleek, timeless, and built for the gentleman who values both sophistication and comfort. And with our 48 hours production rush, your loafers are crafted and shipped in as little as 7 business days. No shortcut, no compromise. Whether you're dressing up for a big moment or elevating your everyday style, this loafer completes the look with ease, confidence, and undeniable elegance. If you're ready to experience footwear that delivers luxury from the ground up, tap the link below and order your Burgundy Patina Loafer today. The difference between tools and systems. Let me start by reading an article for you that talks about the difference between tools and systems. Listen up. A tool is a specific item or software like a hammer, Canva, or a spreadsheet used for a single function, while a system is the overreaching, interconnected framework of processes, actions, and multiple tools working together to achieve a larger goal, like a meal planning system, using a notes app and a recipe database. All right, think of tools as the individual instruments and systems as the entire orchestra playing a symphony. The tools can be an app or a software, are part of the system. But the system itself is the workflow, the strategy, and the integrated actions, is what runs smoothly and consistently. Hope that helps you to understand the difference between a tool and a system. You see, most people use AI like a gadget, but champions, winners, what they do, the big companies, they use AI like a ninja. The reality is, tools help your work faster, but an engine or a system help you go farther. Do you understand? Now listen to this. AI should live inside your offer clarity, your lead generation, your sales follow up, your delivery process, your review and improvement. Otherwise, you are just busy working harder, too hard again, without nothing to show for it. Here's an action step that will help you with this, okay? Action step number 2. First, write down your 5 core business activities. Second, circle the one that repeats every week. That's where AI belongs first. That's where you can use AI the most. Get it? Hey guys, just a quick announcement. Listen, if you've been dreaming of building your own brand, but you don't even know where to start, I've got exactly what you need. My brand new course, The One True Wonder, is a step-by-step guide to building a profitable brand with just one product, one service, and one idea. Whether you're an artist, a creator, or an entrepreneur, this course will show you exactly how to turn your idea into impact and income. So don't wait. Go to kajabi.com and get instant access now. Start building your dream brand from the ground up today. The link is in the description. Where AI actually belongs in your business. Now, I'm going to read for you this article that will perfectly make the case for this topic. Listen up. AI belongs in businesses by automating repetitive tasks, enhancing decision making through predictive analytics, personalizing customer experiences, improving cybersecurity, and streamlining operation across departments like marketing, finance, and IT, ultimately boosting efficiency, cutting costs, and driving innovation by handling data-heavy works so humans can focus on high-value tasks. It's best integrated where it amplifies human capabilities, not replaces judgment, not replacing human, by understanding business context to provide actionable insights and content. Now, let me simplify this. AI is not here to replace you. AI is not here to replace people, but it will certainly replace these businesses that are not using this new technology. As a matter of fact, AI will help you to protect your time. It will help you to reduce mental overload. It will help you to increase consistency and efficiency in your business. And lastly, scale without burning out, which is very crucial for business owners like you and I. Because if everything in your business depends on you, the growth of your company will simply stall. Action step number 3. Document one process that you do often. Don't automate yet. Just write down the steps. Just remember that the clarity that you're looking for, it comes before automation. Hey family, quick break. Listen, if this episode is adding value to your life, I need you to pause, take a quick second, and hit the subscribe button, will you? And that's how you can support us, help us grow, and keep this life-changing content coming your way. Every click, every share, every comment helps us reach more people who need this message. So go ahead and subscribe now to Jonathan Laurince, and let's keep walking the self-improvement and wealth-building journey together. Because here, we're not just chasing success, we're building purpose with profit. So I thank you in advance. Let's go back to the show. Faith, stewardship, and preparation. Pay attention to this. Faith, stewardship, and preparation are interconnected principles. Where faith is trusting in God, stewardship is acting on that trust by responsibly managing God's gift. It can be your time, your talent, your vision, your business idea, etc. And preparation involves using these gifts wisely and growing spiritually to be ready for God's purposes through acts of service and generosity. Essentially, It's about living out your belief through responsible actions, making your faith a priority in all life's areas, from finances, business, ministry, to service. In other words, prayer invites God into your vision, but systems prepare you to steward the answer that you prayed for. If you're praying for overflow, but your system is not conducive for growth, or your system is not prepared to handle growth, then the issue is not faith. It's your system, it's your structure that needs to be revised, that needs to be changed. Now, I want you to ask yourself these questions and answer them honestly. First question: can my business survive growth? Second question: can it function without me being everywhere? Third question: can it scale without breaking? If not, then the answer isn't more hustle, it's better system, better structure. Let us put better systems in our businesses. Action step number 4: ask God for wisdom, not speed. Then prepare your systems accordingly. Now, I want to share with you some thoughts that I need you to reflect on. Listen up. AI will not replace you. AI will not replace your calling. AI will not replace your obedience. AI will certainly not replace your wisdom. But it will replace your inefficiency, your inconsistency, and your reluctance to take action. 2026 doesn't need a better version of your hustle. It needs a better structure for your vision. Build systems. Protect your peace. Lead with wisdom. And let God add the increase. Because the future doesn't belong to those who work the hardest, but it belongs to those who prepare the smartest. Come on, let's get ready. Hola family, Jonathan here. Listen, I've got something fresh for your fit and your style. Would you like to know what it is? I'm glad you asked. At Immunity Footwear, we are redefining what it means to walk with purpose, confidence, and style. With a full collection of stylish, comfortable, and durable shoes for both men and women, we've got it all. From sleek dress shoes, everyday sneakers, our innovative listless tennis shoes. Look at this thing of beauty. Look at that. Whew. Wonderful. And our all new golf shoe collection. Whether you're dressing up, stepping out, working out, we've got the perfect pair for you. So why wait? Head over to immunityfootwear.com. It's immunityfootwear.com and shop now. The link is in the description. Immunity Footwear, changing and impacting the world one shoe at a time. Thank you for your support. If this episode challenged you, clarified something for you, or shifted the way you think about the future of your business, I want you to do 3 things for me. Smash the like button to like this episode. Drop a comment and let us know what area of your business needs a better system going in 2026. Share this episode with someone who still hustle their way into growth. And make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss what's coming next. We have powerful conversations ahead on faith, AI, systems, personal growth, leadership, and how to build businesses that grow without burning you out. Other value propositions for you: Make sure to order my business book, The One Show Wonder, where I break down the mindset and the structure behind building a winning brand from the ground up. Explore my courses and coaching program designed to help you implement the systems with clarity and confidence. And don't forget to support our wonderful shoe brand, Immunity Footwear, where luxury, comfort, identity, and purpose meet. All the links are in the description, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay faithful, stay focused, and stay disciplined. Happy New Year 2026, and God bless you all.